So I have a pineapple aloe vera patch that I'm gonna weed. So I got my gloves because the pineapples have like these little spikes. Same with the aloe vera. So sometimes when you're going around weeding them, you can get cut up. I should have probably put on sleeves as well because my arms tend to get cut up, but the sleeves are inside and I didn't plan on doing it until I came out and I saw that it's gotten a bit weedy. So I just want to stay on top of it and then definitely probably get some more wood chips and throw the wood chips down. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So I'm gonna grab a bucket, put the weeds in. I like this bucket. You can measure how filled it is. It's got the numbers on the side there. And oh, good news. I got a little baby seedling coming up. So I hope they do better over on this side instead of my veranda. But I definitely think I'm going to restart some seeds. I don't know which ones came and went and which ones still come. But this one's coming. And that's the David Scotch Bonnet Red. So, come on little guy, you can do it. Yeah. Alright, let's go see where the weeds are. So what I like about this patch is I was able to find out how well aloe vera and pineapple grow together, and it turns out they grow together very well. So these aloe vera all started from one plant, had a whole bunch of babies, so I just separated them all, and it's been about 2 years now. I did this last year, and this year they're just taking off. And as you can see over here, I'm about to harvest my first pineapple from this batch. Yay me! There's 2 really big ones, maybe even 4. I think there are 2 separate plants that probably separate now. They can grow again. So either way, I'm excited. First things first, I am going to harvest. Maybe I'll get the pruners first. And harvest that pineapple. Yeah. Let me go grab my pruners. This is the water. Leave that overnight. Just get rid of any chemicals that the treatment center might be putting in. So chloride, chlorine, whatever you have you. Yeah, I'm gonna get my pruners because I think the pruners will be helpful. So here's where I keep all my bigger tools. Over here is where I keep all my smaller handheld tools. Keep that for the dust. And here's where I keep the bigger ones. So I want you guys to see the difference between a lopper, okay, and I have shears. I did have shears. I'm not in there right now, so that's not good. Someone has my shears. These are my favorite loppers because I lop everything. When in doubt, lop it off. Here the bubbies. Bubbies playing. Bubbies playing. Okay. So now the fun part I'm going to harvest. So it's always best to tie knot and step. There. This might be looking. Here's the pineapple. And Now, I used to take out the whole plant, but I went to a friend's garden recently, and they kept the plant in the ground. And the next time the plant bore fruit, the pineapple was as big as my head, and I couldn't believe it. So, I'm going to subscribe to their model, and that's what I'm going to be doing from now on, because that just makes sense, right? That just makes all sense. Oops. So, there we have it. I got it. Yeah, I got it. Just gonna hose that off. And now we're gonna weed. That's how we're looking. Got the weeds. Don't tell me this front patch.
So we don't have to look for a creator or creation. We just have to look.
I just want to show this one.
We haven't actually
So this is the mama one. And it had many babies. As you can tell the difference. That's one.
So we have no understanding of something. We play around a little individual bit solid. We call
That's the
gene.
mama one. How big and
So
tall.
then here and there. But we really don't understand.
So they're doing very well.
How many of them take?
Oh, and I've got another
Because we can't create it.
pineapple
We're not
coming.
creating.
How cute is that?
You are a collection.
It's been a good year.
So each of
pineapple.
which differentiate from different parts of your body. Some are going to be hair, some are going
So
to
we
be
got a lot
ear,
of good
some
rain.
are going to be
a lot of
eyes.
good rain.
But
I
they're
want to
identical
weed,
cells.
Because the ground is just always soft after it
So
rains.
all, how these are
Those are good
green,
times to weed.
how's it organised,
Right
what
after rain,
kind
after work,
of
it's hard, you know?
organisation, and above all, what stops it
Yeah.
organised. These are the great central questions. Least on.
And I put these bees on because last time I came in here there was
say your
termites.
children.
I laid down the
In the
diatomaceous
bath with the
earth.
sun one day,
And out of them
put
back,
them
the
in the
termites are
bath and
gone.
said, Dad, what are
So I'm going to lay
those?
down more diatomaceous earth just because now we're having ant
I
problem.
know that,
A lot of those little
but
red
why
ants and
don't
they
you get
sting.
longer and longer or
trying to leave.
thicker and thicker?
I don't mind the little black ones.
Why do they stop?
Big red ones. Oh, I forgot to travel with my bucket. Always travel with the bucket.
In the bath.
You don't want to have to
Staring
backstep all the time.
thinking, why did he keep calling the most profound question in the world?
So we got some grass.
He asked
See
it,
those?
you know, and then kids ask other profound questions who don't listen to kids, but it depends how to listen to kids. Now,
Stop eating it.
5 or 6 are
So
only asking
weird.
profound questions. Why is the grass green, they say? Why is the sky blue? Why
He eats
is
it just
the
to make a
sky
mess.
blue? Why is
You
the
just
sky
take it
blue?
out of the bucket, and then it's
Why
going to end up
aren't
all over the
they?
sprinkling. Because he's
They
going
don't ask silly questions.
yeah. But you love your mama.
When he was 26, I rang him up.
Yeah, you love your mama.
So I did. I don't think I'm real. I said, about those coats.
This little guy is
I said, well,
struggling.
you did.
We're trying
And
to
I'll
get some
keep you
space.
filmed.
Okay.
There you go. It might take you another 20 or 30
I'm
years.
going to take some grass.
That's why, so.
I really do want to
But
get
it's
to.
hard. Yes.
So,
So we don't understand anything else
yeah.
except for that point. And there we understand something.
That's gonna do it.
One thing of course is it is not measured. There's no way you can measure the area of leaf on a tree or the leaf of a dog. So nothing in the real world is measurable because A, it's in constant change, and it's measuring, and B, if the scale is to measure it with the size of its leg, so it has no finite length. So nothing real is measured. The only thing you can measure is a thing you make. And you measure it for something you make. Only things made by you can measure, and you can only measure it for something you make. Like interesting is you make a ruler, 1 foot long, 2 foot. Well, once you decide whose foot, you make the ruler that long, and then we make it 30 feet by 20 feet. We can make that, so we can say some confidence if we're making not everything quite 100%, but really when I look at it. And it's 32 to 7 inches long. Right? But that's only because we made the ruler and we made the ruler. You couldn't say what the area of these on the tribe was.
Here.
Because as you measure, these are small increases, and it's only a momentary thing, this area. This area could all diffuse material. So, trees have an enormous diffusive capacity that's in constant interchange without destroying the earth. Well, let's try to summarise what was said about forms now. About the world, the universe. We don't understand anything of its substance. We understand something of its form, but we cannot measure any natural form. Not in this universe. So the artificial creating systems, by making things that measure things and by making them they measure, they think they have hard facts. But really, they as yet learn nothing about anything that exists. So we have a very limited grasp on that. Down in Glacier, there was a doctor in class, and I said, your cells are made up of the same genetic material I was born with, but you know,
That's me
as we
reading.
keep replacing it.
Definitely wish I brought my sleeves. I got all kinds of cut up. You can see.
And I said that's
Already having,
only
like,
a
allergic
small part
reaction.
of the contents of the cell.
So my arms are on fire right now.
Other organs in there
But I find like
that
with allergies,
purely
where you get
come
exposed
from
to those
your
things,
grandmother.
the less you react. And like if you don't
Bacteria.
scratch, you know, Doesn't bother you as much.
which are organelles.
So I'm just gonna
And I have to do
try hard not
all
to
the
scratch.
transactions.
Even though my
So-
sweat is definitely staining
So,
the cuts right
and as
now.
far as we can make out, every human being on
let's see what
Earth,
else.
like what, Brindle,
So I weeded that.
have the same organelles from the same woman.
I did IPM yesterday, so I'll probably do that
So
today.
wherever she was, and I think I know her name, Fitz and Jarrett.
I think
say
I really
her
do
name
just want to
is,
like
and I'm not going to
get
tell
back
you
to
what
starting
it
the
is.
seeds again. I kind of want to put them
If
in the
they
paper
remember
towel,
her, and they
let
said
them
she
be in
had
the
to know her
sun, let them
brothers.
grow, and then put them
This would
in.
be right. So here's your event happening.
Okay.
We chose a tree because it demonstrates all the nature of it.
I just put a whole
And
bunch
the
of
material
diamatris earth over there.
of this medium earth
Red ants are not that
is
funny.
being taken by the tree
I just wanted to
and given
show
to the atmosphere. And the material of the atmosphere and the sun is taken by the tree and given to the earth.
kept having babies.
So the earth donates sugar, the tree donates sugar to the earth from the interaction of light.
It went in there. I'm not sure.
So
Manage.
all plants depend on light, only in darkness can animals flourish. With animals flourish in darkness. Plants in light. If never the sun ever goes out, we'll all have to eat whales or something. There won't be any cabbages.